Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think that you are fine. The theme of our lesson is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Today's lesson aims are to enrich students' knowledge on the theme, to widen their vocabulary through doing different tasks, to introduce and fixing of new vocabulary on the topic, the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Let's start our lesson from new words. Listen and repeat after me. Government, population, queen, urban, island, capital city, separate, rule. Okay, then open your copybook and write the today's day. And on your dictionary copybook, write the new words. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland is situated on the British Isles. The British Isles consist of two large islands, Great Britain and Ireland, and about 5,000 small islands. Their total area is over 350,000 square kilometers. The United Kingdom is made up of 4 countries, England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Their capitals are London, Edinburgh, Paris, and Belfast, respectively. The British Isles are separated from the European continent by the North Sea and the English Channel. The western coast of Great Britain is washed by the Atlantic Ocean and the Irish Sea. The surface of the British Isles varies very much. The north of Scotland is mountainous and is called Highlands, while the south, which has beautiful valleys and plains, is called Lowlands. The north and west of England are mountainous, but all the rest east, centre, and southeast is a vast plain. Mountains are not very high. Ben Nevis is the highest mountain. Angliya мемлекетіндегі ең биік тау Ben Nevis тауы. Оны өздерің білім алушылар суреттен көріп отырсыңдар. Okay, the next, let's continue. There are a lot of rivers of Great Britain, but they are not very long. The Severn is the longest river, while the Thames is the deepest and the most important one. The UK is constitutional monarchy. In law, the head of state is the Queen, but in practice, the Queen reigns, but does not rule. The country is ruled by the elected government with the Prime Minister at the head. The British Parliament consists of 2 chambers, the House of Lords and the House of Commons. The flag of the UK of Great Britain was the royal banner known as the King's Colours. Flag of the United Kingdom, Union Jack, consists of 3 crosses. Big red cross, the cross of St. George, pattern saint of England. White cross, the cross of St. Andrew, pattern saint of Scotland. Red cross on a diagonal, the cross of St. Patrick, patron saint of Ireland. The UK is one of the world's smallest countries. The population of the country is over 87 million, and about 80% of it is urban. Білім алушылар, осы жерде айта кететін жайт, Англия мемлекеті әлемдегі ең кішкентай мемлекеттердің қатарында болса да, халық саны жағынан 87 миллион екен. Және оның ішінде 80% қалалық болып есептелінеді. The weather in Great Britain. It is never too hot or too cold in Great Britain. This is because of the sea, which keeps the island warm in winter and makes the air cool in summer. The winds are also very often in Great Britain. They blow from the southeast 2 days out of every 3. But the warm winds from the Atlantic are very wet. They also bring a lot of rain to the island. The east or northeast winds are cold and dry. The weather very often changes in Great Britain. You can never have the same kind of weather for a long time. In spring, for example, sunshine and showers follow each other so often during the day that an umbrella or a raincoat are really necessary in Great Britain. The weather in spring is generally mild, but sometimes the days are really cold. The summer is not so cold as on the continent. And warm days in autumn are beautiful. In winter, they have all sorts of weather. Sometimes it rains and sometimes it snows. Білім алушылар өздерін түсінгендей, Англияның ауа райы, климаты өте құбылмалы екен. Және көбінесе жаңбырлы. Buckingham Palace is the London home of the Queen. It's a place where the Queen meets important visitors such as kings, queens, or presidents from other countries. Бұл бізде білім алушылар патшайымның сарайы. Westminster Abbey is one of the most beautiful buildings in London. The ancient large church in London in which the coronation ceremony of almost all the English kings and queens has taken place. Лондон қаласындағы ең үлкен шіркеу. Big Ben is one of the most famous clocks in the world. The English people built the tower and the clock in 1858. The bell weighs 13.5 tons. The man in charge of the building was Sir Benjamin Hall. In London, one of the symbols is a double-decker buses. These red guys have long been a staple in London iconography and when people think of the city. This is one of the first things that comes to mind. Every country has its own national emblem. The red rose is the national emblem of England. The thistle is the national emblem of Scotland. The daffodils and the leaf are the emblems of Wales. The shamrock is the emblem of Ireland. Okay, in order to fix this material in your memory, now let's do the following exercises. Task number 1. Please, let's answer some questions. Яғни, біздің бірінші тапсырмамыз берілген 8 сұраққа жауап беру. Бірінші сұрақ, for example, what are the main countries of the UK? Ұлыбританиядағы басты 4 бөлікті атаңыз мемлекеттердің атаулары. Олар бізде бағана айтып кеткендей 4 бөліктен тұрады, yes? The UK have 4 main countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Ireland. Task number 2. You must fill in the table, put a tick. Яғни, бұл жерде екінші тапсырмада Англия мемлекетінің ауа райына байланысты берілген тапсырмалар. Кестеде көріп отырғандарыңыздай, үстіңгі жоғары бөлігінде ауа райына байланысты сөздер берілген, және сол жақ бағанда 4 жыл мезгілі жазылып тұр. Қай жыл мезгілінде қандай құбылыстар болса, солардың жанына барып, белгіні қоямыз. Келесі үшінші тапсырма суреттер сөйлейді. Берілген суреттерге қарап отырып, мен айтқан мәліметтер бойынша дәптерімізге ағылшын тілінде сөйлемдерді жазып шығамыз. Task number 4. Use a word search. Find the names of the countries and the symbols. Берілген кестеде әріптердің барлығы шашыраңқы орнатылған. Бірақ та осының ішінде мемлекеттің атаулары және мемлекеттегі символдар берілген. Соларды тауып, дәптерімізге белгілеп, қоршап шығамыз. Criteria for evaluation. Балалар, білім алушылар, осы критериялар арқылы мен сіздерді бағалаймын. Home task, үй тапсырмасы, кроссвордтарды шешу. Thank you for your attention. All these tasks you will find in Platonus. Goodbye.